How to adjust the brightness of this display. This display is AOC and it's U2477PWQ. Okay, to adjust the brightness of this display we have a few buttons down here. The right one is for entering, the left one is for exiting, and the two in the middle will go left, right, up or down. The fifth one is the power, so don't use that one. So that one enters, that one exits, and left, right, up, down. So press the enter button to show the menu. Okay, and we have to use this one, which is luminance. And always the first one is active, so we have to put luminance there. So use the left, right, up or down. Okay, left, right. Okay, so there's luminance is the first one. Enter there using the one on the right side. Okay, go down to brightness with the right arrow. Enter brightness. Okay, and now let's see up. Now it's increasing the brightness. That is 100. Let's use, let's say, 40. It's better for the eye. Okay, you can exit with both the right and the left buttons. Let's use the left one and left one again and left again. Okay, that's how to adjust the brightness of this AOC monitor.